Hey, today we got the package that we've been waiting for, the Huawei mobile Wi-Fi E5788 touchscreen LTE 1 gigabit. It's a Cat 16 standard. It's the same Qualcomm chip X16 from the guys at Netgear. They have it on the Nighthawk M1. This is its direct competitor, and it's only 2 modems right now have this chip, and some mobile phones. So this and the Netgear M1 should be the only ones that have this one. Let's see if we can open it without damaging it. Oh, I think it has been opened before. Yeah, I think we're not the first ones. Okay, that'll be interesting. Ooh. It has some sponge. That's nice. Has a little tab here. Pull it out. It has the information. Wow, it's bigger than I thought. Charging port. SIM card. A seal under a screw, just in case of you try to fidget with it. Power button. Let's see if it works. Ooh. Okay. This is also made out of foam. Ooh, really nice, soft material. Interesting. Booklet, I suppose. It's just information that you might need. Warranty card. Quick start guide. Yes, baby. You need some help? Okay, I fixed some ice cream for the baby and cartoons. Privacy policy, software update, and the installation where you put your SIM card. I mean, it's super simple. Charger provided by manufacturer. They say you need either a computer or the charger they supply. Okay, let's put this back. Close it neatly. And let's see. Cable. Standard. USB to USB-C. And then let's see the magical charger. It's a Huawei travel charger. 5 volt 1 amp. That's not very fast. It's a normal charger. So basically you can use any charger you want. Especially if it has the Qualcomm chip, you can use a Qualcomm charger, and it will definitely go with quick charge. Because I had the Netgear charger, every time I put it on the Qualcomm, inside the software it will tell you that it starts the quick charge. And then when I put it on the charger supplied by Netgear, it will say just charging or yes. But we see if this one has that information. If you put it on a quick charge to go charge quickly, you will be actually quite cool, because if it has the quick charge 2.0 or 3.0, you can charge this in 1 hour, and that would be fantastic to charge this in 1 hour, because with this one a 3000 milliamp is 3 hours to charge it. It's not bad, but I suppose we can do even better. And it has a touch screen. Woo! Battery saving settings, Wi-Fi extender, Wi-Fi user, Bluetooth settings. The cool thing about this is that you can connect the device through Bluetooth and it will still have internet through Bluetooth, just to save battery, just in case you're on the road. So if you're having a kid that wants to have just YouTube, so you can go in the car for a longer time, this will be actually quite great. How much data you use, roaming, network settings, language, update, but we can't do that now because I don't have the SIM card installed. Network cannot be configured without a SIM card, yeah, I suppose I know that. About device information, software, phone number, oh, it tells you the phone number, also the SIM card, that's nice. Help, device strength signal, no service. It tells you all the icons so you know what they mean. How many devices. Oh, so you can connect more than one device over Bluetooth. Oh, that's nice. Network, airplane, rate limit for heat protection. So this one has the same thing as the Netgear. The Netgear, when it overheated, went over 55 degrees, it didn't charge, for example, or it put your Ethernet plug on standby. We will see this one, what kind of heat protection it has, but we will need to read some manual about that, which we don't have. Connection guide. I suppose it will have more data on the web page if we go in. So yeah, I will come back with another video with the web page and my thoughts on it after a week or two, and we will see if this one is a better option than the Netgear, even if it doesn't have the micro SD or the Ethernet port, or a way to extend the Wi-Fi for some strange reason. It doesn't have room for antennas either, but we will see. It's still portable, it's not that small. It's cool that it has a touch screen, but we will see how great it does. So thank you, and we will talk in the next one.